Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. Despite yesterday's poor performance in U.S. equity markets, risk appetites returned to normal and large bourses rose across the Asia-Pacific region. Stoxx 600 Europe, which posted a 6-day gain yesterday but suffered a loss of 1.6%, has stabilized and is now up 0.4%. It has increased by 6.5% since the beginning of the year. The U.S. futures indicate a steady or higher opening. Today's U.S. dollar is generally more stable against G10 currencies than it was yesterday, with the exception of yen, Swiss franc, and sterling. Foreign exchange markets are showing a risk-on mood, with the Antipodean, Scandi and Swiss currencies leading the movement against the greenback. Asian Pacific market. Japan's December inflation was in line with expectations. The headline and core rates did not include fresh food, but rose to 4.0%. Japan's inflation could peak in January or February due to the effect of fiscal efforts, fall in energy prices, and appreciation of yen on a weighted trade basis. The dollar is trading more strongly against the Japanese yen. It has recovered from yesterday's low of JPY 128.40 and reached a high of JPY 129.75 today. Today's Australian dollar is stronger, stabilizing after its two-day plunge of almost $0.7065 to nearly 0.67070 yesterday. Market of Europe. Lagarde countered concerns that a recession will stabilize the central bank's hands, noting that growth will not be as bad as we feared. A press report earlier this week suggested that a 50 BP increase on February 2 was still possible, but there was discussion about whether the ECB might shift to a 25 BP rise at its March meeting. The euro is still trading in the same range as before. For the 7 previous sessions, it traded between $1.0730 to $1.0885, including today. UK retail sales for December were significantly lower than expected. They declined 1.0% and 1.1%, respectively, excluding gasoline. According to Bloomberg's survey, the median forecast for growth was 0.5% and 0.4%. Sterling is still within the Wednesday range. Sterling was close to but did not reach the $1.2450 mid-December peak. Market of America. Weekly initial jobless claims in the week that the non-farm payroll survey was completed below 200,000 for the first time since September. Today's index of key economic indicators is available for download. It is expected that it will continue its downward trend for the 9th consecutive monthly. Also, December home sales will be reported. Since January, they have been in decline. Mexico and Canada report November retail sales. Today's U.S. dollar fell slightly, with support from CAD 1.3440. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.